If you signed up for Samsung's discount, you may have gotten this in your email. They're giving you the opportunity to get the Galaxy Z Fold 4. But maybe you want to get the S22 Ultra instead. In this video, I'm going to show you the difference. Hey, what's up? I'm Bertrand the Tech Man. If you're new to my channel, help a tech brother out. Hit that doggone subscribe button down below. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers to support this channel. Now in this video, I'm using the Galaxy Z Fold 3, but it's very similar to the Galaxy Z Fold 4. So everything that you can think about on the Galaxy Z Fold 3 is basically the same on the Z Fold 4 with a slight upgrade. And I'll tell you the differences right now. The major difference is going to be you're going to have a faster processor, you're going to have a better camera, and the hinge is going to be better as well. You're also going to have a less of a bezel on the side on both the outer and the inner screen. So that's going to make it look like it's just a little bit larger screen wise. Other than that, they're basically the same. Let's talk about some things that are very similar with the Galaxy series. Both have 120 Hz refresh rate. Both can easily be seen either inside or outside. On the Fold series, the screen is going to be 7.6 inches. On the S22 Ultra, 6.8. And you'll notice the difference. Now, the main difference though is the form factor. With the S22 Ultra, you have a phone form factor. Galaxy Z Fold 3 or 4, you have a folding phone factor. That's the major difference. With the Fold, of course, you can fold it out and it turns into a tablet. Both are waterproof. They both support wireless charging. So on the Fold, you have more real estate, more screen, bigger phone, 2 phones in one. On the S22 Ultra, you have a phone with the beautiful screen. They both have the Snapdragon Gen 1 Plus processor on them. Galaxy Z Fold series, you're going to have 12 gigs of RAM. On the S22 Ultra, you're going to have 8 gigs of RAM. Now on the Galaxy Z Fold 4, the camera, you're going to have a 50 megapixel wide, you're going to have a 12 megapixel ultra wide, and a 10 megapixel 3x zoom. S22 Ultra, you're going to have a 108 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 10 megapixel 3x zoom, and a 10 megapixel 10x zoom. So you see the camera on the S22 Ultra is superior to the camera that's going to be on the Galaxy series 3 or 4. As far as the battery is concerned, the battery on the Galaxy Z Fold series will be 4,400 milliamps, whereas on the S22 Ultra, you're going to have 5,000 milliamps. So the battery is better on the S22 Ultra than on the Galaxy Z Fold series. On the Galaxy Z Fold 4, you're going to have a 10 megapixel selfie front camera, a 4 megapixel under display camera. On the S22 Ultra, you're going to have a 40 megapixel camera. The S Pen comes with the S22 Ultra. You have to buy an S Pen with the Galaxy Z Fold series. Of course, the S Pen for the Z Fold series is a lot thicker than the S Pen for the Note 22 Ultra. The writing experience, however, is very good. It's also good on the S22 Ultra as well. It is better on the Galaxy Z Fold series because you have more real estate as far as the charging speeds are concerned. On the Z Fold 4, you're going to get, whereas on the Galaxy S22 Ultra, you're going to get 25 watts of charging. On the S22 Ultra, you have the ability to do multitasking. You can have two screens open at the same time. On the Galaxy Z Fold 4 or 3, you can have three screens open at the same time. That's the major difference. Playing games is a whole lot better on the Galaxy Z Fold series than on the S22 Ultra. Again, because you have more real estate. Watching movies is going to be better on the Z Fold series than on the S22 Ultra. The screen is going to be brilliant. It's going to be a great experience, but because of the real estate, it's going to be better. You can also use the Fold in the flip mode, which makes it even more interesting because you have a built-in stand. So, final thoughts. Both of these phones are outstanding phones. Top of the line for their particular category. The Z Fold series is the best folding phone out there. With the Z Fold, you're going to get 2-in-1. You're going to get a phone, and you're also going to get a mini tablet with all of those experiences combined. You're going to get, with the Fold 4 series, the camera is a whole lot better than it is on the 3. So you're going to get closer to the S22 Ultra, but not quite there yet. The battery life, because it has a 4400 milliamp battery, is not going to be as good as it is on the S22 Ultra. So taking those things into consideration, you can decide. Now, if you want to go with the S22 Ultra, you're going to get the best battery life, you're going to get the best camera, video, and you also will have more portability. Less real estate, but more portability. The price is going to be cheaper, whereas this, you can probably get it for about $1,200. The Z Fold 3 or 4 roughly starts at around $1,700. The S Pen comes with the S22 Ultra, whereas with the Z Fold series, you have to buy it separately. I love both the Z Fold and the S22 Ultra. It is depending upon what my circumstance is at that time. If I'm going to have to go to a meeting and I need a tablet, then I take my Z Fold. If I'm just going out to take pictures or video or just out with the friends, then I use my S22 Ultra. So I'm Bertrand the Tech Man. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. And remember, before you buy anything, always first check it out.